Welcome back, everybody. Today I am back in my 2025 EcoBoost Premium Mustang, and finally it is late fall when I'm actually filming this. I might post this in like November or December though or something, but finally we got our first cold front of the year and it's not 90 degrees outside, so I'm finally gonna be able to drive my car in a little bit of cooler weather with the windows down. And since I bought this thing in the summer of 2025, about 4 months ago at this point, I have really been waiting for the temperatures to cool down just a little bit so I can actually drive with the windows down without getting all sweaty and stuff. So today I'm going to take you guys with me and we're going to go for a little bit of a joyride, and I'm also going to try out some of the features in this car, like the heated seats, the heated steering wheel, and obviously rolling the windows down finally now that it's not so hot. So let's get on the road. All right, here we are in first person now. Gonna go ahead and start up this thing from scratch, and we're gonna see what the temperature is out today. We are at 46, so finally, even in the mornings for like the past few months, I mean, it's been like 80 degrees. I mean, like high 70s, like early in the morning. So let's get this thing on the road, put the windows down a little bit. Hopefully my audio doesn't get totally trashed. Putting my windows down, GoPro ready to go, and let's have a little bit of fun. I don't know what I'm doing here. Take the emergency brake off. All right. And then something I was playing around with this morning a little bit on my way to the gym. I have to say, I really enjoy it so far. The heated and cooled seats, or not the heated and cooled, but I don't know what the heck I'm talking about today, guys. Let me get on the road and then I'll start trying to speak English today for you guys. All right, let's hit this because people are gonna be coming my way. I'm gonna try and get you guys up on that bridge again, just because it's so much fun being up there. And something I've been playing around with, what I meant to say, is the heated steering wheel right here. This thing is extremely useful. When I came out of my house this morning and it was super cold, the heated steering wheel feature was so nice. I kind of thought it was dumb when I first bought the car, because obviously I bought it in summertime, so I was like, what do I need a heated steering wheel? But with the leather, and when it gets really cold, it is absolutely awesome to have the heated steering wheel. I'm pretty sure that's only a premium EcoBoost feature or premium GT feature. If you get the base model, you're not gonna get that feature. If I'm wrong, correct me down below in the comments. All right, I'm gonna try and go, as long as people don't crash into me here. And then the heated seats, these things actually get really hot. They're really nice. So if I turn this on, 3 is like too hot for me. It's got to be like really cold, I think, if I'm going to be using 3. But for now, I'm using 1 or 2, and it honestly warms me up pretty good. It actually does my lower back and my butt cheeks and everything. So it's really nice to have in the winter, especially with these leather seats, because they'll get really ice cold. Just like in the summer, on the opposite, they'll get really, really hot. So it's nice to have the cooled seats. So definitely worth it just for that feature for me, to get the premium EcoBoost over the base, getting the heated and cooled seats and the heated steering wheel. It's definitely a nice feature. I was supposed to put my windows down, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so glad it has finally cooled down. It was so miserable for a while out here, like 100-degree days. Even getting into the fall, we were still hitting 90s. It was ridiculous. Jeez, I'm gonna have to put this visor down, guys, because it's really bright out here. I don't know if you guys can hear that turbo squealing or not, but it definitely sounds nice. I think I'm actually gonna miss the bridge today, or will I? I don't know. I'm gonna try and get on the highway as quick as I can for you guys, but you know, I don't know where I'm going half the time. So really the most frustrating thing about this car so far has been that the air controls are all digital. Like when I'm sitting here right now, it's not really a big problem because I can just reach over here and touch them to adjust. But when I'm driving down the highway going 70 miles an hour, it's kind of hard to press on the screen and actually select what I want. I do miss the knobs a little bit where you could control like the air and stuff. I do miss that feature just because it was a little easier to deal with like on the highway or when you're in stop and go traffic than it is with these touch screen controls right here. Overall, it has been a little bit of a learning curve for me. Jeez, it's loud. I'm gonna roll up the windows for a second. But it has been a little bit of a learning curve, and the light finally goes green. So again, it's if I can get it out today, guys, it has been a little bit of a learning curve with this, with all this technology, but after kind of getting used to it a little bit, I've really come to enjoy like the digital display right here and not having like a physical speedometer and stuff. At first I was kind of adverse to having the digital, but now I actually kind of like it because I'm able to customize it and change it to my liking, which you can't do obviously with a physical digital cluster. Okay, let's get the windows down, get some air going. If you guys can't hear me, I do sincerely apologize. I'm gonna do my best to capture the audio the best I can. I don't even know where I'm going. I think I need to go this way. We're gonna play around. I don't know where we're going today, guys. I'm just trying to get you back to the bridge. I might honestly cut the footage for a little bit just so I'm not driving you guys around on the access road this whole video. Get up on the highway, get up on that bridge. All right, guys, here we are emerging onto the highway finally. I don't know where the heck I'm going today. Kind of just going for a little bit of a joyride with you guys, have a little fun here. You guys know, if you've been watching my videos for a little while, we got this new bridge down south that I really like to ride up on. So I'm gonna get over a little bit here. I'm gonna put down the windows just for a second. But since we're on the highway, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me that well, so I'm just gonna go silent for a few seconds and then I'll roll the windows back up. I won't be able to know what you guys hear though until I'm editing this, so we'll just have to see. Oh yeah. I love this cool air, thank goodness. Of course, somebody's gonna cut me off last second. Rolling up the windows now because I'm actually getting a little bit cold. Absolutely love this view, guys, and just, oh man, it's so much fun driving this thing in the colder weather now. Obviously hitting 50 degrees right now, so some of you guys are probably like, that's like our normal, you know, yearly temperature, especially you guys watching up north. But for me down south, this is like what is it, windbreaker jacket temperature. So like I'm literally walking around right now and people are in like windbreakers and big fur coats and stuff. So down south we are just not used to the cold, but you guys can see this view. Definitely a whole lot of fun driving this thing in cooler weather. Gonna have a lot of fun rolling the windows down, just driving around, especially with my girlfriend and stuff. Have a lot of fun doing that. But definitely enjoying this thing in the cool weather, and the features like the heated seats and the heated steering wheel are definitely a huge plus. I actually, while I was turning around for you guys, I had to turn off the heat because I was just getting so hot. It was like blazing hot in here. I have it all the way up on high, but I had the temperature as high as it could go, but I only had it on 1, if you guys can see this right here. I had it on the very first option right there. I don't know how to describe that. Let me know if there's a better way down in the comments, but I had it on the very first option there, and I was just getting too darn hot. I was like getting heated out of this place. I still have the heated steering wheel on. It does get pretty warm, but it hasn't gotten like blazing hot yet. I would say right now it's like sort of warm, but it's not anything ridiculous. But I'll have to see once I drive for a few more minutes here to see if this thing really gets hot or not. It feels like the warmest parts are right here where you put your hands. These are gonna be the warmest part of the steering wheel. It feels like down here is kind of warm. Up here, okay, let me merge on this before getting in trouble. And again, obey the traffic laws. I'm not encouraging anybody to be dumb. All right. Honestly, don't even know what the speed limit is here. I think it's like 55. So I'm gonna do my best to do that. You can see most people don't really listen to that. People start hauling butt up the interstate, man. And they don't even know they're being recorded. Kind of funny. But yeah, overall, really been enjoying this car. Was really waiting for some cooler temperatures. Finally, thank goodness. And just wanted to take y'all for a little bit of a joyride. Today is going to be kind of a shorter video, not super long, but as always, if you guys have any questions about my car or about anything else, just leave your questions down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer you guys. Go ahead and get off the interstate here. Or I might, I don't know. Should we keep this video? Should we do an encore, guys? I think we should. Drive this up a little ways. So overall, I've really been enjoying daily driving this Mustang. Really no problems yet. Only about to hit 2,500 miles. Already did my first oil change. Look at this. This is the state trooper breaking the law. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at this guy. Look at that guy. He was going pretty fast, man. He must have been doing 70 or 80. So it's 70 up here now. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up a little bit since I got a little higher speed limit. Oh yeah, guys. I don't know. I think in a few previous videos, it's really hard to hear the turbo noises because the GoPro just doesn't pick it up really good. But the engine along with the turbo noise is really, really a lot of fun. Really a good time. All right, let's try and get over. I can't believe that state trooper was just hauling butt so much down the road. Everybody else was slowing down because the state trooper was coming up and he was breaking the speed limit going down the interstate. It's kind of hilarious. Got him on camera doing it too. That's all I got to say about that. Can't get myself in too much trouble here. I'm gonna have the cops after me if I don't relax a little bit. Stop talking mess. So we're gonna go ahead and try and get over here. Oh, you know what? I might go up a little further. Check out this guy in the Ford Ranger. I don't know what's going on in the back right there. I think he glued on some lights or something. I don't know what's going on. Ooh, I gotta get over to the right. Once we get off the interstate, we'll put the windows down one more time, have a little fun with it, and then I will end the video. I was about to end the video about 5 minutes ago, but I decided not to. These people, there's always got to be, it's either people going too slow or it's people going too fast. There's never like a good in between. It's never like somebody's doing the speed limit for whatever reason, man. All right, I think we're still recording here. All right, cool, we are. Let's put down the windows a little bit. I said I was gonna do that and then I didn't. So hopefully you guys can hear what the heck is going on. Definitely love driving around during the sunrise. Gonna go get some work done at a little coffee shop up here that I like to hang out at. And enjoy this weather. All right, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Just wanted to take y'all for a little bit of a joy ride. And now that the temperatures are a little bit cooler in my area, definitely a lot more fun driving this car now that it's not so hot, because I can actually put the windows down and not be sweating my butt off. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you soon in another video. I got some exciting stuff coming up for you guys.